Yeah. So now we can see it. Now it's working properly. So today we start with the creation of salaries account, right? So first you have to identify the account group under which the salaries account is to be created. So go to the transaction code OBD4 and here under this account group personal cost, we have to create the salaries. And the defined number range is 400, 100 to 400, 199. So I'm starting with the 400, 100. Transaction code FS00. Procedure is same. GL account is 400, 100. Company code SSKH. Company code SSKH. Go to menu GL account create. Account group is personal cost. Account group is personal cost. Select P&L statement account. So salaries account is displayed in the profit loss account, right? Select P&L statement account. Then look at the screen. P&L statement account type means to which P&L statement account type this salaries account is related. If you press on F4, we can see X and Y. X means operating profit loss account. Y means non-operating profit loss account. So if the salaries account relates to operating profit loss account, we enter X. If the salaries account relates to non-operating profit loss account, we enter Y. So here we can see two options. Why? Because we have defined two profit loss account types. See, in OB53, defined retained earnings account, right? So we have defined X and Y. That is why it is asking to which profit loss account type the salaries account belongs. Now, normally we use one, normally even in the real time also, we use only one profit loss account type. Just to show you the impact of multiple profit loss account types, I have defined two. Now I want to delete Y. So select Y, and this is called delete button. So in any screen, if you notice this delete button, you understand that you can delete the object from the screen. Then save. Now, let us create again FS00. See, there is no options now. Because there is only one profit loss account type. Select P&L statement account. Short text is equal salaries account. Short text is equal salaries account. GL account long text is also salaries account. Go to control data tab. Account currency INR. Select balances in local currency. Select line item display. Sort key 001. Then go to create bank interest tab. Field status group G001. Click on save. Now, let us create wages account, right? Creation of wages account. Wages account I am considering as part of manufacturing cost. So that account is created under the manufacturing cost group. And we define the number ranges 400, 200 to 400, 299. So I am taking 400, 200. Like that, at the time of creating every GL account, we have to select the number like this. GL account is 400, 200. Company code SSKH. Go to menu GL account create. Account group is manufacturing cost. Account group is manufacturing cost. Select P&L statement account. Short text is equal to wages account. GL account long text is also wages account. Go to control data tab. Account currency INR. Select only balances in local currency. Select line item display. Sort key 001. Then go to create bank interest tab. Field status group G001. Click on save. Now, let us create a rent account. Rent account I am taking as part of administration cost. So we have an account group, administration cost. And we define the number ranges 400, 300 to 400, 399. So I am taking 400, 300. GL account is equal to 400, 300. Company code SSKH. Go to menu GL account create. Account group is equal to administration cost. Account group is equal to administration cost. Select P&L statement account. Short text is equal to rent account. Short text is equal to rent account. GL account long text is also rent account. Go to control data tab. Account currency INR. Select only balances in local currency. Select line item display. Sort key 001. Then go to create bank interest tab. Field status group G001. See, look at the screen. Here, we are entering the data in the chart of account segment, right? And company code segment at a time. This is account control in the company code, and this is control in the chart of accounts. So we are entering the data in the chart of account segment and a company code segment at a time. This is called one-step method. Now, let us see how to create a GL account using two-step method. Creation of GL master using two-step method. In two-step method, first we have to maintain the data at the chart of accounts level compulsory. You cannot maintain the data at the company code level first, right? Write down here. Put heading note. In the two-step method, it is mandatory to maintain the data at the chart of accounts level first. Then only we can maintain the data in the company code segment. Then only we can maintain the data in the company code segment. So in the case of two-step method, what happens? First, we maintain the data in the chart of account segment. Then we maintain the data company code segment separately. That's why that is called two-step method. So I am going to create traveling expense account, right? So traveling expense account I am going to take as part of administration cost. Sorry. Path is accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records, GL accounts, individual processing, see in chart of accounts, FSP0. Transaction code FSP0. So here, already under the administration cost, we have taken 400, 300, right? Now I am taking 400, 310. Just like that, you can take any number. GL account is equal to 400, 310. GL account is equal to 400, 310. Chart of accounts, SSKH. Look at the screen. There is no control data tab. So go to menu GL account create. Account group is administration cost. Account group is administration cost. Select P&L statement account. Select P&L statement account. Short text is equal to traveling expense account. Short text is equal to traveling expense account. GL account long text is also traveling expense account. That's it. Click on Save. Now we have to extend this GL account to company code segment. Extending the GL account for company code. Path is same as above. See, in company code, FSS0. GL account is 400, 310. GL account is equal to 400, 310. Company code SSKH. Look at the screen. Here it starts with the control data tab. Means company code segment. Company code SSKH. Go to menu GL account create. Account currency INR. Select only balances in local currency. Select to line item display. Sort key 001. Go to create bank interest tab. This one. Field status group G001. Click on save. Like that, we create all the GL accounts. Now, here, let us take one. I will tell you one real-time scenario. Here, presently, your client company is using another accounting software, right? So this year they are going for SAP. Now, in the current accounting system, they are having 1,000 ledger accounts. They are having 1,000 GL accounts. In, say, for example, in the current accounting system, in the current accounting software, they are using 1,000 ledger accounts. Now, all these 1,000 ledger accounts have to be created in SAP system, right? Now, if you use the method, two methods, what I told you now, you have to use the FS00 transaction code, right? 1,000 times, which is very much time consuming. And during the process, we may forget to create some GL accounts. In that case, what we do? In the real time, there is one tool, LSMW, which stands for Legacy System Migration Workbench. So LSMW stands for Legacy System Migration Workbench. So using this tool, we can create all the 1,000 GL accounts at a time. So we can upload all the 1,000 GL account master records at a time. Not only GL account master records, vendor master records, customer master records, asset master records, all these things we can create at a stroke using this Legacy System Migration Workbench, right? So it is the free tool provided by SAP, right? And the transaction code is also LSMW. Right? See, LSM Workbench is an SAP tool that supports you when copying the data from non-SAP systems. Click on enter. So from here, you can go on creating. So at the end of the training sessions, I will send you the documentation on how to use this legacy system migration workbench along with the screenshots. Okay, now here, I told you in the day before yesterday class, every data as a consultant, we do number of settings, and as an end user, every day they post the business transactions. And this data is stored in the different tables. Now we have created GL account, right? So where this data is stored? So the GL account contains the data under two segments, right? Company code segment and chart of account segment. So the data you entered in the chart of account segment is stored in one table, and the data you entered in the company code segment is stored in one table, right? Do one thing. Here some space is there, right? In the page number 37, some space is there, right? Right down. When the GL account master record is created, the system will update. The system will update the following two tables. The system will update the following tables. The following tables. Number one, SKA1, chart of accounts data. So whatever the data you made in the chart of account segment is stored in the table SKA1. Number two, SKA2. Company code data. Company code data. Number three, SK80. GL account descriptions. GL account descriptions. Right? So here, how to display data in the SKA1 table? Already explained you. Again, I'm showing you. Go to SE16N. Right? Give the table name, SK80, right? Then click on enter. So chart of accounts, SSKH, right? GL accounts, 1 to all names. Then the system will display the chart of accounts data for all the GL accounts relating to this chart of accounts. Click on execute. See, in the chart of accounts, you maintain the GL account number, short text, long text, and GL account long text. So here, this is the data that's how we can display the data. Sorry, SK80 means short text and long text. I'm sorry. SK80 display short text and long text, right? Now, I want to display chart of account segment data, SKA1. Execute. See, just a minute. SKA1. Then chart of accounts, SSKH. GL account, 1 to all names. Like that, from the tables also, we can display the data. See, these are the balanced accounts. GL account number, created on, created by, then P&L statement account type, then account group, then short text and long text. So this is the data what we maintain in the chart of account segment. Now, if you want to see the data in company code segment from the table, SKA2, right? Click on execute. SKA1, SKA2. Just a minute. Sorry, it is SKB1. Yeah. See, I told you SKE2. I'm sorry. It is SKB1. Company code data, SKB1. Company code data, SKB1. I'm sorry. So I want to display company code data. Go to SE16M, SKB1, company code SSKH, GL account 1 to all names. Execute. So this is the company code data, right? So field status group, currency. So this is how from the tables also we can display the data. And these table names are very important for us. Now, we have created some number of GL accounts. Now, display the GL accounts created in the chart of accounts. Transaction code F.10. GL account is equal to 1 to all nines. So whenever I say all nines, we need to enter 10 nines. GL account is equal to 1 to all nines. Chart of accounts is equal to SSKH. Click on execute. See, these are the GL accounts what we have created. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So till now we have created 7 GL accounts, right? Later on, we will be going on creating number of GL accounts. For the time being, I created only these GL accounts. Okay. Now, here I have given only transaction code. I did not give the path, right? Go back to notes. Go back to notes, please. Put heading note. Put heading note. If the transaction code is given, we can find the path. If the transaction code is given, we can find the path. For example, to find the path, for the transaction code, F.10, go to the transaction code, search underscore, SAP underscore menu. This we have to remember. Just a minute. Yeah. Go to the transaction code, set underscore SAP underscore menu. Right down. Enter search text is equal to, enter search text is equal to F.10. Enter search text is equal to F.10. Click on enter. Click on enter. Write the folder names. Note the folder names. Note the folder names from bottom to top. From bottom to top. Like information systems, write the path now. Information systems, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, chart of accounts. Chart of accounts. Look at this screen. See, information systems, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, chart of accounts, F.10. Right down. This function is available. This function is available only in SAP Easy Access. This function is available only in SAP Easy Access. Okay. Now, to edit the GL account master. See, sometimes, right, after creating the GL account master records, there may be a need to edit the fields. But in that case, we cannot edit all the fields. We can edit only some of the fields. So what are the fields we cannot edit? Once the GL account master record is created, we cannot change the following fields. Number 1, GL account number. Number 2, company code. Number 3, account group and status of operator management. If any business transactions are existing as open items in the GL account. Once open items are cleared, we can change the status. The fourth point I'll explain you later at the end of the general ledger account. So except these 4 fields, we can edit any field. In that case, how do we edit? Transaction code FS00 only. GL account is equal to 4,300. So I want to edit rent account. GL account is equal to 4,300. Company code SSKH. Go to menu GL account, change. See, you cannot edit GL account number. We cannot edit the company code. And if you change the account group, see the error. Because the account number you have taken from account group. If you change the account group, system gives the error message. So except this, we can edit anything, right? We can edit any other fields. Here, make necessary changes. I want to change just short text and long text, right? So I want to give the short text like administration rent account. So like that, we can make the changes, then click on save. Go to menu GL account and change. Make necessary changes and click on save. Then to display the changes made to GL account master. Suppose I want to see the changes made to GL account master. That is also possible. Transaction code FS04. Account number is equal to 400, 300. Company code SSKH. Click on enter. See, we have changed short text and long text. Now, click on all changes button to see all the changes, including old and new values. This is called all changes. See, this is the date of change. It is the Indian format date. It is the Indian format date. So short text, GL account, long text, administration rent account, right? Rent account, etc. And if you double click on any field, it will display further details. This is the date of change, time of change, user, Lakshman has changed. Short text, rent account, administration rent account. From value, rent account, to value, administration rent account. Now, here, one thing you remember, this date is in Indian format, right? Date, month, year, right? But in ESA, we use first month, after that date, then year. So there are some ESA students, right? ES nationals are also there. They are very much habituated to enter the date in the format, right? Month, date, year. So in that case, where we can make the changes, right? So whoever want to use the USA format date, right? Go to the transaction code SU1. SU1, right? Sorry. SU02, I'm sorry. SU02, right? I'm sorry, SU01, I'm sorry. Go to the, right, SU01. Transaction code, go to SU01, okay? Then enter the user ID. Your user ID you can enter, right? Then click on change button. This is called change button, right? Then here, click on defaults. Click on defaults button, right? Date format. Date, month, year is there, right? Suppose you want to use month, date, year, right? You can change it. Month, date, year. So from now onwards, you can enter the ESA format date wherever necessary. It will accept only ESA format date. So go to SU01, right? Give the user, your user, then click on change button. Then you can click on defaults button. Then here you can change it. And the decimal notations also we can change. Decimal notations also we can change. I am changing it to Indian format date. Indian date format. So tomorrow we start general ledger accounting, right? Sorry, tomorrow we start posting of transactions, right? So how to post the transaction, the general ledger now? Along with today's recording, right? I prepared one video on posting of accounting entries, right? So if anybody wants to refresh their knowledge on posting of accounting entries, you can listen to that video. That video runs for 1 hour, right? How to decide which one is to be debited, which is to be credited, right? So that is accounting entries video. I prepared it separately. I will send it along with the today's class recording. Any questions from anybody?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Ankar.
Sir, I just wanted to know about BAPI, the one which is like LSMW.
Sorry?
BAPI.
BAPI is a technical issue. BAPI is a technical topic. I will send you the documentation on BAPI also.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
These are all relates to project documentation. BAPI's
Okay.
document also will send you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, then see you tomorrow.